Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to delete your Constant Contact account. All right. As you can see here, I have the website opened, but in this case, as you would want to delete or cancel your account, well, you don't have that option in here. All right. As you can see here, when I click on the three dots, go ahead over to settings. Let's just wait for it to load. All right. In here, under manage users, we don't have the option to delete an account, but there's a way. Okay. There are actually two ways. First up, I'm going to show you this one. All you have to do is add a new user and give that user the role as the account owner. Now delete your main account in here or main email if you want to use this one for another mailing service. Okay. Now, if you want to completely remove your account, well, all you have to do is contact the Constant Contact support. Okay. Not just sending an email to them, but actually calling them. All right. Now to call them, as you can see here, it says if you wish to cancel your Constant Contact account, you can do so by calling our support team at the appropriate number below. If you are inside the US and Canada, you can go ahead and call this number. Go ahead and pause the video. 855-229-5506. And in UK, we have 0808-234-0945. And for outside US and Canada, we have +1 781 472 8120. All right. Go ahead and give them a call, as their specialist will not pressure you to keep your account. You're just going to be asked a feedback to ensure their products and services are improving for the future. Okay. And don't forget to remember your username, also your reason for cancellation. And it says here, you're going to receive a email within 24 hours confirming your request. All right. You may want to read this one right here. Just go ahead and pause the video. Okay. And that's basically it. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.